Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here to share my kits I'm using for December. This is the last month in my Recollections vertical planner. They aren't making them anymore, but I'm still excited to use it for these last few weeks. This is the last 5 weeks of the month, or of the year, I guess. 18 months really in this planner. Anyway, so the first of the weeks is November 28th through December 4th. And as you might have noticed, I am doing all holiday / Christmas kits for all of December because that's just really what I want to use. So this first one is from Lovely Planner Blog, and it's called Snowy Christmas. And I feel like it's perfect for that start of the Christmas season. It has these ones that say Merry Christmas and it's Christmas and stuff like that. But it's also very snow themed, and this is the time of year where we start to get those first snow, the first snowfall that might start sticking for us is typically around the beginning of December. And I also just really like the Lovely Planner Blog kits. I think they work out really well, and then I just add some like washi to this and I'm pretty much good to go. So I'm excited to be using this one. For the next week, it's December 5 through 11. And I'm using another Pretty Planner Printables kit. You might have noticed I used a fair amount of these lately. This one is called Pink Christmas. I just printed off the first page because that's all I really need for this, but it's definitely very light and pretty and princessy. I might see if I can pull in some silver or hollow foil to go with it. I think that would look really pretty, but we'll have to see what I find when we get a little bit closer. The third week is December 12th through the 18th. And for this week, I'm going to use this kit from B&R Paper Crafts. It's called Cozy Time. And this one is very Christmas, but also just very cozy season. And so this is an ultimate kit. I got a bunch of these in a grab bag a while back, and this one is super fun and perfect for this time of year. I will move this to the side so you can like actually see things since there's too much distraction now, but this is the full boxes. And then the bottom washi with these cookies, which is always fun. And then boxes. I like the lime green. It's kind of an unexpected color in here. Some functionals, icons, things like that. Full box checklists. Oops, almost missed a page there. These kits are huge. 4 more full boxes. Also date covers, weekend banners, some more functionals. This one has some little things, glitter headers, flags, things like that. And then the last one has the kind of word headers. These are all washi strips and some more boxes. So this kit is huge, but it should be really good to use, and I'm excited for that one. For the fourth week, I am going to be, that's December 19th through the 25th, so it's actual Christmas. But I'm going to be using this kit from A Pretty Planscape. It's kit number 111. All I got was this full boxes, which makes up this like little scene of a little village. And then the solid boxes, the small sheet that goes along with it. But these two things plus some extra washi tape is definitely going to be all I really need to cover for that week, especially because it tends to be a pretty quiet week. It's finishing up some things at work and then a couple of days of vacation and spending time with my family. So it'll be nice to use all of these things, and then I'll probably pull out a full box, probably like this one. I feel like could be skipped pretty easily, for example, and maybe pull that one out separate from the scene. We'll have to see how that goes and how exactly I want to kind of figure out this overall scene arrangement, but going to make it kind of scene-like, I think. But I'm excited to try this out because I do like this kind of city look or town look, as it were. And then last week is December 26th through January 1st. And so for that one, I'm using this kit from My Planner Life UK. This one I printed off both pages, and this kit is pretty much like ready to go once I print it off. I picked this one for this week because with January 1st in there, it's kind of that New Year's vibe, and I felt like some of these kind of felt that celebratory. They feel a little bit more winter with lots of trees and deer rather than Christmas as much, even though it's still a little bit Christmassy. This kit is called Sleigh Bells, if I didn't mention that. But I thought that it was kind of perfect for this kind of transition vibes, and January tends to be very blue in my planner. So I thought that would go along really well. So I think that is it for today. I'm excited that this year December has 5 weeks in it because I love to use all of the holiday kits that I possibly can. So this is what I've got going. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know what your favorite kit is that I'm planning to use, as well as what your favorite kit is that you are planning to use. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You'll see all of these kits being used in various spreads. I'll tag all the shops. I'll show you bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading and stuff like that. And until next time, bye.